Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I will be in the week of Memorial Day. So I pulled out some stickers that I had in my stash, and they are these really cute stickers from Karen Foster Design. It's called Star Spangled Bears. I had a few, like I had a border here with some stars and then these bears. I just thought he was really cute with this little sailor cap on. I love the USA. So I just wanted to commemorate Memorial Day week because I have friends that are in the military and also ones that have retired from the military. So it is a special time to remember those that have served and those that have died serving for our country. So that's what I'm going to be using this week. Let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright guys, so here's my final spread. I think it turned out really cute. I added some washi here. This was from Recollections, and then this was some 4th of July washi that I had in my stash from the Target Dollar Spot. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Happy Memorial Day. God bless. Bye.